So live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no hate.
What's up, guys? So I know a lot of my viewers are unable to spend a lot of time in the gym, or some just don't have a membership. So I started to create workouts that you can do in the gym in less than an hour, and I also started to create workouts you can also do at home. So the workout I'm going to show you today is the Bosu Booty Workout. The only items that I needed was a floor mat and a Bosu ball. I was able to finish this workout in 45 minutes. I did 3 rounds of 6 different exercises with a little break in between. So let's get right into the workout. So for the first exercise, I'm going to call this the Bosu side squat. What you want to do is put one foot on the ball, squat down. Be sure to squeeze at the top. Keep your weight on your heels, keep your core tight, and also keep your chest up. I kept my hands in this position because I found that it was easier for me to keep my balance with my hands like this. For each leg, I did 10 to 12 reps. If you want to make it harder, like I'm doing right here, pulse at the bottom, come up and squeeze your glutes really tight at the top. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4, squeeze. Take a little break if you need to. Get a drink of water. When you're done, switch to the other side. Alrighty, next is the Bosu Lunges. What you want to do is you want to put one foot on the ball, keep your weight on your front leg, and be sure to find something to focus on so that you don't lose your balance. You can either go down and come back up and squeeze, or if you want to make it a little harder, you can pulse at the bottom at least 4 times and then come back up and squeeze at the top. I did 10 to 12 reps for each leg. next is the Bosu side lunge. You want to focus on your inner and your outer thigh, but I also found that it hit the hamstrings and the sides of my glutes really well. What you want to do is place one foot on the ball and lunge to the side. If you want to increase the intensity a little bit, try to pulse at the bottom and come back up and squeeze at the top. Here I'm just touching the areas where I can feel it the most, on my hamstrings, my inner thighs, my glutes. The burn was real, you guys. It was serious. Alright, next you want to find your mat because I could not figure out where I put mine. You want to find your mat because next we are doing Bosu Bridges. So for the Bosu Bridges, you want to make sure you put both of your feet on the ball. Make sure that your legs are in line with your hips and squeeze at the top. If you want a little more intensity, like I've been saying the entire time, do a little pulse at the top. Right from that movement, you want to go right into the Bosu single leg bridges. Be sure to keep both your hands flat on your side and raise your leg and try to squeeze at the top. Next, we're moving on to the Bosu single leg lifts. You want to start off with both your knees on the ball, place your hands on the floor, and raise one leg. Be sure to try to squeeze your glutes at the top. If you want to make this a little harder, try to put both of your hands on the Bosu ball and attempt to balance and raise your leg at the same time. It's pretty hard. I tried it, didn't work out, didn't do it. If you want to feel a real good burn in your core, squeeze your core extremely tight, raise your leg, and spin it around in a circular motion several times. You will feel an extreme burn. A good one though. So I still had a little bit time left, so I decided to add one more exercise, and I'm going to call these the Bosu Glute Up and Overs. It's simple. The setup is the same as the last exercise, but what you want to do is you want to raise your leg up, go over, up, come down, up, over, up, and down. Try to keep tension on your glutes at all times by not dropping your foot. This entire workout took me 45 minutes. The only thing I needed was the Bosu ball and the mat. I did 3 rounds with each exercise, and I tried to keep the rep range between 10 to 12 reps. For higher intensity, I added pulses. For this entire workout, I burned 392 calories. What's great about this workout is that you can do it in the gym or you can do it at home. If you would like to see more quick Bosu workouts, do me a favor, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.